Ako ba? Ikaw ba? Ano ba? What is ba? Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. Let's continue our journey in learning a beautiful language, Tagalog, the language of the Philippines. We are continuing our discussion on the Tagalog ENCLITIC particles, which are monosyllabic and duosyllabic words that grammatically connect two words that convey different nuances and meanings. ENCLITIC particles in Tagalog include words like na, pa, ba, lang, naman, etc. If you wish to have a more complete background on the Tagalog ENCLITIC particles, you can check out episode 151 before you continue with this video. The link is in the description box down below. Otherwise, let's dive into our topic for this video, which is on the ENCLITIC particle ba. The ENCLITIC particle ba is also a question marker. If you've been learning Tagalog and a regular visitor to this channel, you'd already be familiar on how the particle ba is used. Let me just make a very important clarification. Questions in Tagalog can be structured without the particle ba. For example, ano ito? What is this? Ano ang pangalan mo? What is your name? In these sentences, the question is signaled by the interrogative word ano, what. So, what is then the use of the particle ba? Well, there are three main instances when to use the particle ba. First, when emphatically asking a question. Like for example, ano ba ito? What is this really? What is it? Ano ba ang pangalan mo? What is your name? Really, what is it? Did you catch that? With the particle ba, the texture of the question changed from a normal question into an emphatic question seeking a clear answer. The second use of the particle ba is as a tag question seeking clarification. Now, the third use is in expressing puzzlement, disappointment, or irritation. We will have sample sentences on how to use the particle ba under these instances. But before we continue, please be sure that you're subscribed by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'll be updated of new videos. Alright? Now, let's take a look at some sample sentences, beginning with when emphatically asking a question. Here are some using personal pronouns. Ako ba? Is it me? Are you referring to me? Ikaw ba? Is it you? Tayo ba? Is it us? Kami ba? Is it us? Siya ba? Is it him or her? Sila ba? Is it them? We can convert these into more complete questions like, ako ba ang gagawa? Am I the one to do it? Ikaw ba ang mauuna? Are you the one to be first? Tayo ba ang aalis? Are we the ones to leave? Kami ba ang magluluto? Are we the ones to cook? Siya ba ang susubok? Is he or she the one to try? Sila ba ang kakanta? Are they the ones to sing? Ayos ba? This time, let's use ba with possessive pronouns. You will notice that the context is a bit broad. Sa akin ba? For me? Is it for me? Is it mine? Sa iyo ba? For you? Is it for you? Is it yours? Sa atin ba? For us? Is it for us? Is it ours? Sa amin ba? For us? Is it for us? Is it ours? Sa kanya ba? For him or her? Is it for him or her? Is it his or hers? Sa kanila ba? For them? Is it for them? Is it theirs? Now, let's add demonstrative pronouns and object nouns. See how the context becomes narrower. Here goes. Sa akin ba ito? Is this mine? Sa iyo ba iyan? Is that yours? Sa atin ba iyon? Is that over there ours? Sa amin ba ang pera? Is the money ours? Sa kanya ba ang mga alahas? Are the jewelries his or hers? Sa kanila ba ang lupa? Is the land theirs? Next, we will still use demonstrative pronouns, but this time, we will combine them with the adverb nasa, to be with. Here goes. Nasa akin ba? Is it with me? Nasa akin ba ang susi? Is the key with me? Nasa iyo ba? Is it with you? Nasa iyo ba ang libro? Is the book with you? Nasa atin ba? Is it with us? Nasa atin ba ang lapis? Is the pencil with us? Nasa amin ba? Is it with us? Nasa amin ba ang pera? Is the money with us? Nasa kanya ba? Is it with him or her? Nasa kanya ba ang mga resibo? Are the receipts with him or her? Nasa kanila ba? Is it with them? Nasa kanila ba ang mga gamit? Are the stuff with them? Ayos ba? So far, so good? I hope so, because we will have more examples. Still on the topic of emphatically asking a question, let's use ba with time expressions. Here goes. Kahapon ba? Was it yesterday? Ngayon ba? Is it today? Ngayong araw ba? Is it on this day? Mamaya ba? Is it later? Bukas ba? Is it tomorrow? Alas 5 ba? Is it at 5 o'clock? Sa Lunes ba? Is it on Monday? Sa isang linggo ba? Is it next week? Sa umaga ba? Is it in the morning? Sa tanghali ba? Is it at midday? Sa gabi ba? Is it in the evening? Alright? As I have mentioned earlier, a Tagalog question can exist without the particle or question marker ba. But without it, the question is just an ordinary question, colorless and lacking in texture. So, listen to these. Ano? What? Ano ba? What is it really? Or it could be an expression of irritation. Ano ba? What the heck? Stop it. Don't bug me. Saan? Where? Saan ba? Where is it really? Kailan? When? Kailan ba? When is it really? Bakit? Why? Bakit ba? Why? What's the reason? Paano? How? Paano ba? How is it really? Sino? Who? Sino ba? Who is it really? Kanino? Whose? Kanino ba? Whose is it really? Taga saan? From where? Taga saan ba? From where really? As you have seen from our examples, the texture or context of a question in Tagalog changes with the inclusion of the particle ba. There are more examples on how to use the particle ba, and we will continue to discuss those in the next video. I hope you'll catch that. And please do leave a like because that's gonna help a lot in growing this channel. Alright? I will be seeing you again soon. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.